Hi everyone, my name is Mike Van Sickle, and welcome to my course, Working with Files in PHP. The most common use of PHP by far is in the creation of web services and web applications. At some point though, almost all of those programs will need to interact with the server's file system. In this course, we are going to explore the rich functionality that PHP has for handling all aspects of file system management. Some of the major topics that we will cover include how to manage files, how to interact with the file system and navigate directories, and how to securely send and receive files with web services. By the end of this course, you'll know how to work with files efficiently and securely. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with the PHP language and the basics of HTTP-based web services. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn PHP with the Working with Files in PHP course at Pluralsight.